What's happening, guys? It's Jimmy here, and we are giving away the ultimate SUMMERNATS experience for you and two of your mates.
Picture yourself peeling the tyres off your very own blown Statesman at the biggest car event in Australia.
Here's what you'll win. Your very own blown WH Statesman prepped for a SUMMERNATS experience. Winner's entry into SUMMERNATS with your new car, spectator passes for you and two mates to catch every moment. Flights, transport and premium accommodation, all covered.
$2,000 spending money for tyres, fuel and bulk fun. Transport of your Statesman to SUMMERNATS and to your doorstep anywhere in Australia. Plus, you'll join the entire Tuff Streeters crew for a meet and greet experience that's truly priceless.
This isn't just a prize, it's a SUMMERNATS experience of a lifetime, and it could all be yours for less than 20 bucks. Check this out. Under the hood, we have a 5.3 litre cast block bought out to a 5.7 litre, packing Cayley's rods, CP forged pistons, packed dual valve springs, a Crow camshaft, and much, much more. All supporting this huge TBS billet EFI 671 blower with Teflon strip rotors. This thing is ready to party.
It's got coilovers all around, 4-link rear end setup, and has been mini tubbed with a Borg Warner diff and billet axles. This ride has been built for power and control.
Inside, it's luxury meets tech. Updated Caprice trim, a Haltech Elite 950 ECU with an IC7 dash, and a stereo system that absolutely slaps. Featuring kicker splits, twin subs, and a double DIN DVD head unit with screens in the headrests for you and your mates while you cruise around on the main street.
Sitting on 22-inch FR Simmons with a huge 295 on the rear, this machine puts down an incredible 650 rear wheel horsepower and 118 newton-meters of torque, making it a true powerhouse. Entries are live right now. Don't miss out on your chance to win this ultimate SUMMERNATS adventure.
Head over to Tuff Streeters and get on the action today. Let's go.